Hi guys, today we have a new enclosure or case for Raspberry Pi model A+. So it comes in two parts, the top and the bottom, and some accessory. I think there is a rubber bumper for you to stick it on the bottom of the base so that it can provide good traction when you put it on the table, and some screw, you can see it, for mounting the 3A plus or A plus board to this base. So let's try with the 3A plus, the latest Raspberry Pi board. So you should slot in this way so that the micro SD card come out first from here, and make sure the mounting hole is in the right position, and you can use the screw provided as I mentioned to secure the Raspberry Pi onto the base. And last one, just snap and fit the top, and with that your Raspberry Pi is protected with a nice case, and you can mount it on wall. There's a mounting hole over here. You can still access to the micro B for the power, HDMI for the video and audio. Here is the composite jack for audio and video also. Here is CSI cable hole for camera, and here is the single USB port, and GPIO you can still access from top, and last but not least the DSI port. And it comes with a label, if you can see it from here. Let me turn. Okay, you can have the audio, HDMI, and also the DC 5-volt, and also the USB label, just to label the respective port. So that's all from me. If you'd like to check it out, I actually put a link under this video, and hopefully you like the video, and do give it a thumb up and share it. And bye. See you in next video. Bye.